So we're still dealing with this pandemic, so I'm trying to do some different things this year on my bike. And you might have seen in a previous video, I strung a hammock up actually between these two trees. Well, today I'm gonna try a tarp. Yeah, it's a 3x3 tarp from DD Hammocks. That's 3 meters, by the way. And yeah, I've never put this up before. Let's see how I get on. First things first, I've got to put up what they call a ridgeline. So I've been teaching myself some knots. I think this is called a Siberian hitch, and I've put, which is a quick release knot, and I put this in there just in case it does slip, but it won't come this way. As you can see, that's quite a lot of pressure I'm putting on it. So now we're heading over to that tree there to tie the other end. Right, this end should be a trucker's hitch, I think. Right, I've sussed it now. I've got to loop it this way and pull that end. No, loop it this way and then pull that end. Loop it like that. Loop it like this. And pull that end through. No, that's it. I don't want to sit that way. Then you've got a knot. Make a loop, grab that end and pull. Grab that end and pull. Right, now we've got it. It's not very tight. How do I tighten this? There's been tighter tarp lines rigged, I'm sure, but that'll do for starters. In an ideal world, I should have this really pre-threaded on the line, but I'm actually going to clip it on with some carabiners. I think this is called a prusik or something. It's a climbing knot. It doesn't slip when under tension. I'm going to cheat on the bits in the middle, and I'm just going to put these little S-biners on just to secure it. So this little knot stops it from slipping. There's my cheapy little carabiner just to hook it on. These little ones here ideally should have more knots like that one, but this stops it from flapping too much, and that one there, and then another one of those prusik notches at the other end. So now I need to get the guy ropes out. So this tarp comes with some pegs and guy ropes, so this bit should be easy. Famous last words. I think it's fair to say that was pretty tricky in the wind, but I have a shelter. I have somehow managed to construct a shelter. I've learned that this tarp definitely needs to be pinned down a bit more, especially in this kind of wind, and I need to get that ridge line a lot higher. So I put up a shelter. If it was a storm, I may well have died of hypothermia by now, but I think that's half a success. My knots are holding up this end. These seem to work, and this one as well. So I'll call it a success. pretend that that was anything other than a 1 out of 10 as far as my first tarp experience went. Okay, it's up. If it was raining right now, I could probably get in there and shelter from it. Ideally a bit higher, and then I could get my bike and everything under, a bit more comfortable. But if this was for a bivvy camp, that would be perfect. The knots are holding up nicely. This is banjo string tight. If you enjoyed this video, you didn't enjoy this video, maybe you did, who knows. If you enjoyed this, then please subscribe. If you want to see more like this, why would you want to see more like this? Then make sure you subscribe and come back. Hit the notification bell, and more importantly, if you've got any advice, please put it below, because good grief, I need it.